class 3. Class 3 Variables and Data Types in C. Welcome back everyone. So far you have learned how a C program is structured. Today we go one step deeper into the heart of any program, variables and data types. Think of variables like boxes where you store values, numbers, letters, anything a computer must need to remember. But to store something properly, you must label the box correctly. That label, it is the data type. Once you understand this idea, your programs won't just run. They will be smart, organized, and accurate. What are variables? A variable stores information. It gives your program the power to remember. Let us say you want your program to store a person's age. You could write int space age equal to 20 semicolon. Let us break that down. Int is a data type. It tells the computer, hey, I am storing a number, no decimals. Age is the name you give to the variable. 20 is the value stored inside. Simple, right? But here is the magic. Once the value is stored, you can use it again and again. Print it, change it, calculate with it. Variables gives your code a memory and a mind. Common data types in C. Now let us talk about data types. The label on your boxes. Each type tells the computer what kind of data you are dealing with and how much space it should reserve in memory. Here are 4 you will use most often. First is int, integer, stores whole number like 5 minus 3, 1000. Second, float, stores decimal numbers like 3.14 or minus 2.5, etc. 3, char, stores a single character like a small z or 5, each in single quotes. 4, double like float, but more precise and use more memory. Each data type has its size, its limits, and its purpose. Choosing the right one is like choosing the right tool for a job. Critical to writing clean, efficient code. Slide 4. Practical and assignment. Let us write some code together. We have to declare variables using integer, float, and character. Then assign values to them, print them using printf. The code is given here. Here is what this code is doing. Declaring 3 variables, age, height, and grade. After that, assigning values 18, 5.9 and character A. Printing them using printf. Percentage %d is for integers, percentage decimal point 1f is for floats with 1 decimal, and percentage %c is for characters. This is real C programming. You are now talking to the computer in its language, clearly, logically, and precisely. This is a list, a complete list of data types in C with memory size. You will learn more about this in the higher classes. Time to put your skills to the test. Assignment. Create 3 variables: age, height and grade. Use your own values. Compile and run the program. Take a screenshot of the output and submit. Summary. Variables are containers. They store information. Data types define what kind of data goes in those containers. You have learned int, float, char and double. You wrote a working program using all 3. This class is a big step. Mastering variables and data types means you now have control over what your program remembers and how it behaves. So go ahead, open your editor, write your code and make the computer work for you. Thank you.